People, come closer. So one lady linked me and she said, why not a tree picnic me have? And me and my husband live together in our rent house. And the two of we work hard to build a house for ourselves, but right now in a rent house we are jam. So in October, October 2023, my mother take down sick bad. And shortly after that, my mother husband pass on. So right now, from my mother sick, I just me one. I do everything. Me have to give her breakfast, lunch, dinner because she live few blocks away from me. So a morning time, I have to get up early to go up her house and make sure so she get her breakfast and everything. She said, why not? I want to go patty shop me a work in her. And yeah, it kind of rough, you know, things kind of tight, you know, but I 5 kids, my mom have 5 a week, but I me one, I do everything by myself, and my husband from time to time help me out, but it's stressful for us as a family, you understand, for me and my husband and my 3 kids them, but me try to manage. She said, why not? I have a sister. And my sister living at the yard with my mother. And not even she would have helped. Sometimes at night time when I leave work, I'm tired. But me and my husband have to go up at my mother's house, go make sure set we tidy her off. And me not lie nads, my mother is a bit on the bigger side. So it's hard to lift her up and do all of the things and to tidy her. And me I tell you my sister no help. She no do nothing. And it's hard for me nads. And right now, you know, things get so hard, so till me just say to everybody, say listen me, you know me need some help. Make we put her in our healthcare facility. But none of them no help her. None of them now help her to put the mother in a healthcare facility. And everybody just leave the mother one part, she alone to take care of her. She said, boy Nads, my mother never was a great mother. So, I understand, yeah, because she never great. You understand? And me, myself, have 3 kids. And for a woman who have 3 kids, I go all out for my kids, them. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do for my kids, them. And my mother wasn't like that. My mother wasn't a great mom. But me try my best to help her out because it's hard. For me sit down and watch my mother in a them kind of situation there. So I band my belly tight and make sure say me do the right thing and take care of my mother. But Nads, the stress is real. Yeah. She said, why Nads? Sometimes my mother mess up herself. She mess up the bed, she mess up the floor, she mess up everywhere. And you know say my sister live there. And not even she can clean my mother. My mother have to stay in the mess until me come home from work. Me and my husband go up, they go clean her up. So she stay all day in her mess. And remember, this lady was writing to me, she is one of 5 kids the mother have. And she is the youngest of 5. And everything fall upon she one. So now she has said, why not? In a couple months time, she will move away from the yard. Yeah, because remember people, rental, she live in her. So right now, she's thinking about moving from the house, yeah. Because remember, say she have make her own house and everything. So she has said, boy, she not know who go take care of the mother when time she move because she have moved far, you know. She said, for feeding her mother is not a problem. Yeah, for feeding her is not a problem, but what is the problem is the pampers, the health care and all of these things now. That's where the problem comes in. And she has said nobody out of the other kids them want to help her into putting the mother in a healthcare facility. And because it's a little patty shop she work, she cannot afford to put her in a healthcare facility herself. So when she move away from living near her mother, she don't know what's going to happen. So she asked the public out there if you don't know of anything or any solutions where uno can help her out by giving her some suggestions, because yeah, she one and she have to move. She have to move out of the rent house, and right now it go live far from the mother. So yeah, people make you know in the comment section if you don't have any advice. But you know, hear that though, 5 kids and only one I take care of the mother. So sometimes it not even make sense to have kids and say kids that will come back and take care of you, because it's not a guarantee. And not only that, but to know so the daughter live there, one of the daughter they live there and leave the mother in her own mess all day. It's crazy. It's crazy. Big up on yourself out there, people. Peace and out. Bye.